Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here with Sam Harvey, who is the site manager here for Barratt Homes. We're on a big, prestigious project for you guys in Uttoxeter, Sam. And one of the things we were talking about earlier is why you've brought the SiteStak system onto your site here. And it was quite impactful when you were saying, look, Peter, when we look at the movements of people and things like that on site, it really makes sense. Tell me a little bit about the experience and why you've adopted the approach.
I think we kind of push it from a builder's point of view. For my main reasons for us is a health and safety factor. Obviously, if the guys are doing external drainage, internal drainage on a certain plot, they can have all the materials in one place at one time, rather than thinking, oh, we forgot like one bend, for example, and we've got to go over to the compound and walk and get it. Obviously, it stops all that access from people. It's like you've got it there, you've got all your materials in one place. You've also got your machine who can transport it around for you, or your forklift, so it's easily accessible for everyone, kind of thing.
And the biggest thing about you as a house builder is all about quality, isn't it? Because, you know, fundamentally drainage is a really important part of any house building project. And I think, you know, as you look at the way in which people are now cutting, using all the jig at the end there, we're getting it square and the boring's done. All of that means that you can get all of the connections right as well. And that's just fundamental to you, isn't it, as a builder?
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, obviously we're striving for quality. Health and safety and quality are the two main aims for us, kind of thing. So it's good to have it all in one place. And like you said, you've got the voice on there as well, which obviously helps. And we know obviously it's all numbered. It helps obviously for them, the guys obviously as well, who ordering processes. They can kind of see what they've got on site at one time, and it can just keep being refilled as and when needed, kind of thing. So yeah, no, it's really good to have.
So we really are leading from the top down here with Barratt Homes. You know, they've recognised the ability for this to change outcomes on site, and also you work very, very close with the contractors as well.
Yeah,
and so it allows you to order sort of almost just in time as well when you've got to the site and stack the stack up every night.
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah. Well, it saves materials lying around. I mean, drainage, especially at the minute, isn't cheap. It's expensive materials, so instead of it all just being piled up in compounds, it's in a proper storage place, and it can kind of be seen what's here at each time. So you know, like you've already said, you know when to recall things off because you can see it emptying out. So yeah, it's a really good thing to have for quality, for price, for materials, for health and safety, for kind of a bit of everything really.
What's interesting about this version is it's the extended version, which has got the full pipe stack at the back there, because you're a big project here, haven't you? So things are moving very quickly. You can drop a whole stack into there, and therefore you don't even have to do any manual handling, do you?
No, that's what it is. It's no manual handling. It's all machine worked, and it's literally right on top of your work area, which is a bonus for everyone, really, isn't it? So it saves time as well, saves time from people going back and forth all the time, machine movements, forklift movements. So it's for me, the biggest factor is the health and safety side of it. So.
Absolutely right, Sam, and that's why I've come here today. The main reason is safety on site, innovations like this that are simple and straightforward, and yet, you know, very thoughtful about the process of looking after the whole drainage element. Sam, it's great to talk to you today. Yep. I'm going to let you go because you've got a lot of houses to build, haven't you, mate?
We have indeed. Good to meet you too.
Cheers.
Cheers.